Certain electrical appliances need constant power for continual operation, without which goods are spoilt and life may be lost. Simple to use and requiring no battery, the unplug alarm prevents accidental unplugging. Clearly labelled, the alarm is triggered when unplugged and stopped when reconnected. Both audible and visual, it alerts those hard of hearing, with reading or language difficulties, as well as those with poor eyesight. As with unplugging, in the event of a mains power loss, the alarm will trigger, helping you to promptly respond. Should there be a surge in mains power, the unplug alarm has the added feature of temporarily isolating your appliance from the grid, protecting it from damage and keeping it safe.